All right, today we're going to talk about GAF's new HDZ shingle. It's recently released, and a couple features on it is the new features are the 2-inch nail pattern here. The tube mattings are woven together to give you an unlimited wind rating warranty for 15 years. You'll also see here at the bottom, we've got this roof installed for a GAF 25-year Golden Pledge warranty, and we've got the GAF weather watch installed here. We've got the drip edge on, and then we've got the GAF felt buster on. Then we start to install the GAF starter strip underneath that gives you a better seal down here, as you can see. And then we start to install the shingles in a stair-step fashion with about a 6 to 7 inch exposure going up in a stair-step fashion. So installing this roof properly like this gives us, as GAF Master Elite contractors, the ability to give you a 25-year workmanship warranty in addition to a 50-year material warranty for defects. Then in addition, you have a 15-year unlimited wind rating warranty. So if for any reason this roof comes off, that you'll be covered by GAF.